Hi there, this is our Luxcut 360 by 1 metre 3-phase machine. It was a new machine that was dropped and damaged, so it hasn't been used. It was new, it's been dropped and it's been damaged, and it will be sold as is where it is. It's got a couple of bumps and bruises up here and a little one there, and it's had another wee tin shield made there. All this looks good. Little chip of paint off there. Along the back looks good. And its main damage is, as you'll see in the photos, is the bottom, this end of the mounting of the motor setup, and where the emergency brake pivots off, and the wee switching there. So you will see in the photos there the damage and what's needed to repair. So we'll be letting the new owner purchase the machine and do that repair. It doesn't look anything difficult to me. The alignment etc. has been checked and tested, and it's all aligned, and there's fine, and there's no problems there. And like I say, it is all new, it hasn't been used, and it's done this damage down here. So I've powered up the DRO, it is new, it's functioning fine. And coolant pump, that's it on there, you can't really hear it, but that's all fine. Halogen light. All the steadies are nice, it hasn't had anything in it. It's got the wee jog function and the chuck guard on this one. Tailstock's nice, that lock's working. Same with that. And this has got the metric and imperial handwheel indicators on it. And carriage moves nice, bed looks good, and everything's really nice and tidy. I'll run you through the feeds and the speeds etc. So that's forward, stop, reverse. So we're in the lower range there. That's the lead screw running at the moment. Lead screw and feed shaft, and just feed shaft. And the high speed there. And just the different speeds. And forward and reverse. And high and low ratio. So that's the lead screw engaged there, disengaged and engaged. It's coming towards me, and I'll change that direction. And now it's going away from me. I'll start that feed shaft up. Yeah, that's running. And I've just engaged the cross slide, which is coming back towards you. And the carriage now is coming towards me. Change that direction. Now the carriage is heading that way, and cross slide is heading that way. So all those feed functions and speeds are working fine. Put that in neutral, and I'll run you through the speeds now. So that was its slowest speed, 40. So GKM will be 60 RPM. JKM will be 85. HKP will be 230. HLM be 325. GLM will be 460. JLM will be 650. HLP will be 910. GLP will be 1280. One more speed, which is JLP, which is 1800. And run that in reverse. That's all the speeds there, and there isn't much more really to show you. It's all nice and tidy and under here. The repair work will be needed to be done down there. It shouldn't be anything too difficult. It has been checked for alignment, which is all fine, and it will be sold as is.